Have you ever heard of a planet that breaks all the rules of our understanding? Well, you're about to. Brace yourselves, because today we're diving into the story of KELT 9b, a planet so bizarre, even seasoned astronomers had to rub their eyes in disbelief. To put it simply, this planet shouldn't exist as we know it. But here's the kicker. Nobody really knows how it does. First discovered in 2016 by the Kilodegree Extremely Little Telescope, or KELT, KELT 9b doesn't just push against the boundaries of what we thought planets could be, it flat out obliterates them. Orbiting a star nearly twice as hot as our Sun, with surface temperatures surpassing 40,600 degrees Fahrenheit, this unusual world earns its title as the hottest known exoplanet. To give you some context, at that temperature, most metals like iron would vaporize. So, what's this planet made of? And how in the universe is it holding itself together? Now let's start with its parent star. KELT 9b orbits a star approximately 650 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus. But here's the astonishing part. The star, known as KELT 9, burns at a whopping 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's nearly twice as hot as our Sun, making it one of the hottest stars we know to have a planetary companion. You've got to wonder, how can anything orbiting so close actually survive in such a hostile neighborhood? Imagine a giant blowtorch continuously aimed at this planet. Fun times, right? Speaking of fun, hold your breath for this. KELT 9b orbits its blazing hot star at an insanely close distance, completing a year, yes, a full orbit, in just 1.48 Earth days. That's less than 36 hours. And this proximity isn't without consequences. The intense radiation from the star is so extreme, it's literally blowing the planet's atmosphere into space. Astronomers have found a trail of vaporized gas spiraling off KELT 9b, like a comet's tail. Picture it. A planet with a superheated flowing cape of metallic elements flapping in the cosmic winds. Now, if that doesn't make KELT 9b sound like the rebel biker of the galaxy, I don't know what will. But let's dig deeper. KELT 9b isn't just hot, it's obliteratingly hot. With a surface temperature hotter than most stars, it certainly doesn't resemble any planet in our solar system. The star's intense ultraviolet radiation splits molecules apart on the planet, meaning the usual atmospheric gases, like hydrogen, helium, or even hydrocarbons, can't stick around for long. Only individual atoms can survive the heat. So this world breaks the mold of what we define as a planet, almost forcing scientists to question if KELT 9b is even a planet by traditional standards. Yep, that's right. A cosmic identity crisis. Adding to the perplexity is KELT 9b's puffed-up size and structure. Despite being a gas giant similar in mass to Jupiter, this planetary oddball has swollen to nearly twice Jupiter's size due to the intense heat. In fact, the heat causes the gases it consists of to expand so much that its density is less than styrofoam. Yes, you heard that correctly. This raging outer space inferno is so puffy it's lighter than your coffee cup. Can planets even do that? Apparently they can, if they're called KELT 9b. As if that wasn't enough, KELT 9b is also tidally locked. In other words, the same side of the planet always faces its star, similar to how the moon always shows the same face to Earth. This creates a permanent day side of blistering temperatures and a night side that, while cooler, is still searingly hot by any normal planetary standard. The night side isn't completely dark either. Some of the heat gets redistributed, blending day and night in a swirling vortex of plasma. What a spectacular furnace of chaos, am I right? But here's where it gets even crazier. Scientists think KELT 9b won't survive indefinitely. The heat and radiation from its parent star are so intense that the planet's orbit could decay over time. Essentially, KELT 9b might spiral inward, edge closer to its blazing star, and ultimately meet a fiery demise. Imagine it, a planet being devoured by its own sun, a cosmic tragedy unfolding far across the universe. So why does KELT 9b exist at all? That's the million-dollar question. It defies convention and challenges theories about planetary formation. Was it a product of an unusual cosmic incident? Could its star and planet duo be a snapshot of a brief, extraordinary phase of existence? Or is it simply a one-of-a-kind phenomenon we were lucky enough to discover? One thing's for sure. The discovery of KELT 9b has ignited debates and propelled new research into how planets live and die in extreme conditions. And while we may never colonize a world like KELT 9b, its existence serves as a powerful reminder that space holds mysteries far beyond our imagination. Every time we think we've got it figured out, the universe throws us a curveball, a planet so peculiar, so hot, that it burns away our preconceived notions. So, what do you think? Does KELT 9b mark the boundary between star and planet? Or is it proof that the universe loves to bend its own rules? Thanks for joining today's journey through the cosmos on Science Spark. If KELT 9b gave your brain a workout, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. What mysteries will the universe reveal next? Stick around because the next discovery might just blow your mind. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Click the link in the description to get started today.